exchange money with the crew.
Yo ando con ese pasaporte, con esa de eso, no tengo que andar con el pasaporte.
And then I'm gonna tone my hair and then I'm gonna leave.
No, esta se va a
leave in 4 hours. Yeah, I'm gonna tone my hair.
Ve, esas cosas a mí me ponen de mal humor. No me ponen because I'm not her.
Exactly, so don't worry about it.
No, I'm not worried about it. I don't care. It's your ordeal. You like to deal with the stress.
Yeah, I'm not stressed.
I said that you like to deal with that stress. This is
go to my best friend's house, tone my hair, and I pack today. I pack today.
They want to do everything.
And now we're exchanging money.
Me too. I want to do everything in one day.
Peace. So I just finished toning my hair, and I'm about to leave. Cindy, you want to get up on this? This is the vlog. It's not the intro. I was gonna do an intro video, but I was like, no. Look at that beautiful background. And then this bright ass picture. And this is like so aesthetic.
Oh, it is.
Bam.
It is.
Anyways, I'm gonna upload the YouTube video right now. My intro video before I leave. It's 4:30. I have to be at the airport by 5. And I said to do everything last minute. I gotta go pick up my luggage, go to my cousin's house. They're like emptying out my SD card. It's a girls trip. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Just here with our luggages waiting. We're actually really early. What is she going through? I don't know. I see makeup. I think it's like makeup that's like...
Not makeup, okay?
It's not makeup. This is falling down on her. It's a... And she has this forever bag that's hers. She's just last minute packing, guys. That's what happens. We're doing an update.
They are bombs.
So my cousin Glenda, her passport expires in a month, and we found out right when we were checking out that they did not let her go because of immigration, Madrid, blah blah blah. We spent a good hour there literally arguing with the guy, and there was nothing. It's just to go tomorrow to downtown, do her work, but she'll get there. We thought she was gonna miss Venice, but she's not. So thank God we did thank God we did two days in Venice, so that's really good. But it just sucks. Do I have like a pimple here or something? Because it's like super red.
No, your whole face.
Yeah, I'm like a red person. Anyways, it just sucks because girls trip, and it was her graduation trip. She just isn't gonna be traveling with us because I feel so bad. She literally has to like fly 13 hours alone. And I feel like it just sucks because we're gonna be like, you know, like enjoying the time, which we won't enjoy to the max because she's not there. No. But we have to make it at least fun because we're gonna do the same day. I mean, the same thing. We're gonna do the same day.
We have to do it so we know, like,
so we know what to show her. No, I already have the plan. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to. She gets there at 3, just like us. So we'll go to. We're staying at the Rialto, which is by the Rialto Bridge.
I'm sure she doesn't care about that.
So listen, we got it all set. It's crazy, man. You know what's always crazy? Some crazy shit always happens in my life. Something always happens. It's insane.
We always got a story.
We always have a story. That's why I decided to vlog away my life. But yeah.
Glenda, send me the address and what to do so I can go and do it online.
Yeah, everything. So we're gonna get to business now and book the trains because we haven't done that. But I told you guys, I was on top of you guys for the longest about everything. Like literally everything.
Arianna, we saw the trains and you haven't helped.
What? Arlene,
we texted you the entire day.
Look. Wait,
send the train stuff.
Did you see? Listen, go back to when Glenda was in Cuba. I sent you every train information, all the links. Did you not see it?
She didn't find it. But I told her they're there.
I literally sent all the links and I sent every single one. Like all of them. I calculated. All I had to do was you had to pay.
Arianna, she's waiting so she can go 5 o'clock in the morning and do it. So that's
Alright. Peace out, guys. I'm done. Oh my god. Everything's literally going wrong for my mom. They stop her for her luggage. They pat her down for no reason. Mira qué lindo te quedó el pelo. ¿Viste? Huge line. I'm ready to eat this guy. It's a chicken panini sandwich. Knockout. These are so cute and nice. They have such relaxing music. We're still so bummed out that my cousin isn't here. But she'll be here tomorrow. All I want to do is sleep because I actually woke up early to knock out. So got my my jacket, my phone, and the heat. I don't got a charger. Bye! Great, we just took off. And there's water falling on me. I'm getting wet. I was literally asleep. And Lenny's wakes me up. Because the food arrived. Who brings food? At 11 o'clock. Oh my god. Come on. And we're just eating now. Pasta. Let's see if it's any good. Wine. I can't wear. Just dropped the pasta. That's why you don't eat at this time, honestly. Shoes because we're landing. Oh my god, his foot is swollen. See that? She can't put it on.
Is that Oompa Loompa's foot?
Take out that foot said nope. Giving up today. Oh my god. Oh my god. We got mountains here. We're in Spain. But my cousin now, they did not get her the flight that they said they would yesterday. So it's just crazy. We're all stressed because she's just trying to figure it out how she can get over here, and it's just not fun. So we're all stressed. I know. Oh my god. Guys, our plane is supposed to be boarding and we're running because I lost my ticket, so I had to go get it. And now we've been running and there's like 8 minutes to walk. My cousin still hasn't gotten there. She went ahead of us, so we're running so behind. This is insane. This trip has started off so crazy. Oh, we gotta go. Thank god my luggage is going down, and let's hope that it doesn't get lost. There is no air here. Everything's like, the towels are broken. I don't understand. So here I am sitting because we're still early and I thought we were gonna miss our flight. Oh my god. I am sweating, so I'm so annoyed. I'm hungry. My cousin went to get food, but we were rushing and this thing was so far. My cousin, last night, they didn't actually print out her ticket that she was supposed to leave. So she has to fight with the agency and it's just been insane. It is the craziest welcome. I just hope that it just gets way better. I don't understand. I don't understand how people survive. It's 7 o'clock in the morning in Miami. And I don't know what time it is here. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. It's 1 o'clock here. 1, it's gonna be 1 right now. So I'm just gonna wait for my cousin to get food and then hopefully we will be en route to Milan. This is so pretty out here. Now she lost her boarding pass talking all that.
I don't need it.
I know, but you still lost it. Talking about me. Give me my passport, please. Or give it to my aunt. Talking. Look at me. Talking all that shit. This is so green. But we're in Italy. Still not the same. Finally, after so much craziness, but we still, the trip doesn't begin until Glenda gets here.
Yes.
So
We need Glenda.
we need her here, man. Still a stress. Now let's hope I find my luggage. Via Milano. We're in Milan. Oh my god, I'm so hungry. Everything's in English, so we shouldn't get lost. All these cables, man. Everything is under construction. Look at this. Oh my god. It's legit, like, all the cables. This honestly is like Cuba style. Yeah. Hungry and 6 hours of sleep. Hoping my cousin leaves tonight and can catch us up here. We'll probably go back to Milan. Check in Venice, go back to Milan to come pick her up. So it's just gonna be this whole shebang. Looking at my phone. These things take forever. I'm gonna find the train. Hungry. These are some weird ass snacks. I do not know. Look at all of it. I don't know what any of these are. I just know Kit Kat and M&M. So I'm just gonna go with the coffee. Look, they have coffee here, but I don't even know how to do this. This is so hard.
I don't have $1. Oh, I do. The coins, right?
The coins. This is honestly so hard. Oh, I need a point too. Wait, how much is this? What is this? Oh my god, this is so hard. Italian's like easy, but it's so much. Cappuccino. Ooh. Let's see how that tastes.
Okay. Crédito 2.20, hay 2.20.
Pretty good. Cappuccino. Cheers. Look at the streets. Let's go. Wow. We're in Milan, guys. We're in Milan Center. Center Milan? Central Milano. We're in the station. We gotta wait 2 hours now, so we're gonna eat and then go to Venice. Who looks like Harry Potter? Feeling the Italian vibes. I'm in awe. So we are at this cute little place here. Inside the train station. We're just gonna get some pizza. And there's a huge line. So I'm taking care of our luggages here. And oh, I need a Coke. And it's really hot. So that's it. It's cold. We've gotten everything wrong. So we got the wrong one, and I told the guy Santa Lucia, and of course he didn't listen. So now we're going to another one, and then from that one we have to go to another one, and it's just a whole mess. So we're basically on the wrong train, and we still have to get it. This is great. Lovely. And the train. 2 hours. My phone's gonna die. I can't hear it. It is so quiet in here. Honestly, just look at it. What? In the train. Oh my god, we literally were running everywhere. We all tripped.
Like, we all
tripped. My cousin finally got her passport. She was waiting for it. We had anxiety. It's honestly been insane. Literally all of this because we got there on train. Finally, we were running to this one. It's so funny asking people too. Like no one understands Spanish. It's like close to Italian, to Spanish. Whatever, over it. I can't wait to get to that. I see the water. I see the water, but I just think it's up here. Oh look, you can actually see it before. I just want to see the water, man. I wish it was daytime so we can actually see it. It's Cuba style. The window open because there's no air in this one. There it is. Water. Goodness. We got here and those nice people are taking us because we're going the same way.
Mucho que me iba a ayudar la pobre, mucho que me iba a ayudar. Mira esto. Oh, they need the address.
Oh, beautiful. We gotta go up those stairs.
Oh, no.
Oh, yes. Be careful there. Oh my god. Guys, look how gorgeous this is. These students are helping us get to where we are. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is getting scary now. We decided to sit in the Italy.